Hello YouTube, it's Vonica here, and today I'm going to be making a floral arrangement for this lovely houseplant container. I actually purchased this from Michael's on clearance. If you see the sticker, the original price was $26.99, which no one probably paid that much because they always do 40% off. So this was spring. I actually brought this, I think, around Christmas, right before Christmas, or maybe right after Christmas. It was 90% off. So I paid a few dollars. I did not pay anywhere near this $26.99 that is on the sticker. I love it. It hangs on my wall, and I use this to do something different for each season. So I had the bright idea to do a floral bouquet, and I kind of got the idea from a video I saw on Instagram of a florist making a real bouquet. It was very beautiful, and it contained several different color roses, and I was like, oh my goodness, that would really work. So in order to get the flowers in here, I have to cut them. I can't put the whole stem in, so I have to actually snip them. So we're going to do that. So I went and got some new flowers that I didn't mind cutting, and they're very pretty. So I think most of these are roses, right? Yes, I have, it's a purple rose, a pink rose, a light pink, and then this dark pink rose. And then we have some little like add-on things. So first things first, I actually have some cold coffee here on the side. It's early in the morning. So I have this block that I want to use. And you can see it's a little bit big. So first I'm going to cut it this way. These things can get messy. This is a little bit wet, which I don't know why. Okay, so I'm thinking, let's see how much we need to cut off. A decent amount. Okay, so that's a little bit too much where I'm gonna start it at. So maybe like right here. Ooh, it cuts like a cake, right? Ah, that gets down in there good. So it's still a little high, so we're just gonna cut a little off the top, okay? So we don't see that. So now we've cut the width. It's just best to use a knife for it instead of trying to use a Okay, I need a little bit more. Just a weedy bit more. I think that's better. Now, dang it, how did it feel like it's not working? I think because I didn't cut that evenly. Nah, I definitely didn't cut that evenly. Great, yes. Look at that. That is lovely. Just brush off that other stuff and you cannot see it. Okay. Excellent. Now, let's start with our floral arrangement. I mean, these are fake, so it ain't going to be that cute. So we're going to snip these all the way down here. Oh, Lord. They're kind of hard. My scissors aren't the best because my kids use them for everything under the sun. Ooh, so let's see. Okay, I think that one is pretty good. And we can actually move. Voila. Gorgeous. So it's going to be a little difficult. So it'll probably be best if you bend them first a little bit before you snip them. girl, I wasn't trying to get this much work. But it is spring, so we're going to make a spring, a spring bouquet. These, oh, you know what? I should get my wire cutters. Hold on for a second. I'm back. I went and got my wire cutters because I was struggling with the scissors. Ah, voila, that's so much better. So I want these to be, I may have to cut this one a little bit shorter. I feel like I need to cut it a little bit shorter, so I'm going to do that. Maybe right here. It's pretty good. I'm going to try to put these in. Yeah, that one worked pretty well. Trying to put these in different places. This is really going to be a pretty bouquet. Okay, so let's add in some different colors now. Let's do the pink. Because that is nice. Well, let's do the light pink because we were doing the dark pink. That one might be a little short. But we can put that one right in the front. Let's do one more, then we're going to move on to the purple. This is going to be a lovely bouquet. I got all of these from the Dollar Tree. And it's okay because it's going to be up on my wall. I will show you once I am done where I am putting this. So let's go in with some purple now. Then we'll do some of our little accents, which will be the baby's breath and things of that nature. I think it's turning out so freaking good. I have a lot of flowers around because I am actually doing a privacy planner on my patio, and I am going to make a video about that. I actually already painted it and everything. I didn't show you, well, I stained it. Didn't want to show you guys that part because I'm pretty sure it would have been boring, but I will show you the finished product. Okay, so the bouquet that I saw on Instagram, they actually had baby's breath. And I found one at the Dollar Tree. You know, I was kind of leery of buying this because it just breaks off so much. But I feel like my bouquet definitely needed that. So I did this one kind of long because I wanted to stick out. It's kind of bent. Let's see. Okay, it's cute. This one doesn't have anything on it. I might just snap that off because it looks kind of crazy, right? Voila. There we go. Let's do some more. I mean, you can actually buy these from, like, Michael's, too. They tend to have sales. And theirs are a little bit better. So we got this piece. Let's try to put this piece over here somewhere. Try not to smush them too much, but it's looking really cute. So let's try some, well, this is baby's breath, and this is baby breaths too. This is what both of them say. So they're kind of like a different style, but I'm going to use both. I'm going to make this one kind of long so I can stick it in the back. Kind of hard once you, voila, coming along pretty good. I'm loving it. All right, let's keep going, guys. This one is kind of short, so I'm going to put it in the front. Gorgeous, right? Okay, so let's see what else we have. We have this eucalyptus. Let's see if this works. This eucalyptus is very long, so we gonna see what it do. Okay, very, very long. I may have to shorten this one. I think I need to. So I'm going to cut it right there. Voila. Going to kind of put it to the back here. I feel like I need to snip some of these leaves off. Okay. Just so it can stick down. This one is really good. It's not silk. It's basically just like plastic. So, but you can mix and mingle. Try not to clip the stem and just the leaves. Okay, voila. Then we're gonna try to put this one to the back. Nice. It's coming along. I think we need to put, this here is a dripping blossom. I think sometimes they just be making this shit up. We're going to add this in. Oh! Hopefully we can, I don't know if we can get that back on there. It's okay, but let's try to put this here just to give it kind of some depth. I do want it to come out a little bit. It can hang over a little bit. That's fine. So we definitely need to put more here. The area is looking a little, you know, a little dry. So we'll put some more roses there. Yep, to cover up that brick. It is really looking nice. You can play with it, like fluff the flowers out some, pull them out a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Definitely. So we also have a wisteria here. I'm going to add that. Because that is very gorgeous. And I'm going to try to put that in the middle somewhere so it kind of just overlaps and comes out. Yes, definitely liking that. You guys see that? All right, let's get some more. When I worked at Walmart, I actually worked in the craft department. And that kind of got me addicted to crafts. And also kind of made me feel like I was a craft connoisseur. I am not though, but I think I really just fell in love with crafts when I worked there. I'll do a story time about working at Walmart. It's funny because Walmart is one of those places I said I would never work, and I wound up working there. It was a heaven sent. When I was in nursing school, I really needed to focus on schooling and just, I basically just worked the weekends, which was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I went to nursing school Monday through Thursday. And then I worked at Walmart Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I was basically working freaking 7 days a week. Now that I think about it, I was like, oh, I could never do that now. I'm an old lady. Never. Okay, so I'm going to cut this long to begin with, but I can cut it down if I want it to be shorter and not hang over so much. So I'm going to put this one to the back here. It's kind of hard to push this one in. Alright, so I think I want to clip that a little bit. I don't want it to hang so much. Whoa, 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 whoa. So actually, I think I pulled that piece off. Let's get it out of here. Oh, am I pulling something else? I'm pulling my baby's breath. Okay. So I don't know how, some way, somehow that got lost over there, but I'm just going to stuff it in here. Make it freaking work. Okay. Looking very nice. Let's try to fluff these flowers out The roses kind of look smushed to me. So I feel like we just need a little more accent. Let's do another eucalyptus. I hope you guys' morning is going really well. I'm actually doing this video on Tuesday morning, and I'm actually going to put it out. It shouldn't be that difficult to edit on my phone. So, if you haven't checked out my last video, which was a rainbow haul, there is a giveaway on that video. So, hey, go check that out. I will link it in a card above. But, yeah, you should definitely check that out. So let's put this one over here. So I wish I had cut that eucalyptus a little more. Haha, there we go. We made it. I'm pulling flowers. I don't want to pull too much. So you see there, I like it. I feel like it needs a little bit more, just a little bit more accents, but not too much. Okay. I had also gotten this eucalyptus one. We'll try it. Okay, we'll try it. Take one. Take two. I think I'm going to add these two, and then maybe some more of this baby's breath. This is the alternative version. The other one is like the little popcorn one. Okay, and then that should be it. Okay, I'm going to finish this up and see how it is. Okay. So let's try to just get these in here randomly. Give this a little more depth. I'm loving it. Okay, right. Nice. So let's take this one to the back. It is so stinking cute. All right, the last one here, this eucalyptus. We're going to put this one in the back over here. Give us that pop of red. Oh, Lord. And you know, the other thing I was actually thinking about, but they didn't have a lot. And if I had thought about this earlier in the season, I could have did it, which was to do a fairy scene in here. But because I waited too late, a lot of the furry stuff was absolutely gone and picked over. So, this is our finished product. This is a houseplant container. I'm going to put this on my wall and I will show you it up on my wall. I like to decorate it seasonally and it is really gorgeous. Okay, for Christmas I had pine cones in it. Yeah, I had pine cones. First, I put some flowers, then I did pine cones. And this is my first spring floral decoration. So, this is the final product or project. And this hangs on my wall here. Actually, over this little sideboard that I have. And this little metal tray I actually got the same time that I got that houseplant holder. And it was 90% off too. And this little vase comes from the Target dollar spot. And these succulents, I got them from the Dollar Tree and Big Lots. I do have like real plants, but... And if you never saw my Lakeside Collection video, check that out. Because this is where I got this lovely paper towel holder from. He's adorable. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out my last video, which has a giveaway attached that ends in a few days. So definitely check that out. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.